What's for lunch? I got you. For today's recipe, we'll be cooking chicken. I'm sure you will love this. Let's get started. In a container, add 1 kilo of chicken and sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Mix it well and leave it for about 30 minutes. Make sure your hands are clean. Turn the stove to medium-high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, you can now add your seasoned chicken. We'll just wait for it to turn a bit brown and flip it over to the other side. As you can see, it's starting to turn brown. Now time to add a cup of Sprite. Yes, you heard it right. Sprite, the soda. Sprite is the secret to make a juicy and tender chicken. It tenderizes the chicken while flavoring it with a sweet taste. Now add some peeled garlic, sliced onion, and crushed ginger. Pour 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Cover it well and let the chicken absorb all the ingredients. This one would really taste great. I'll be adding some bell peppers. This is optional by the way, but it will really help add flavor to your dish. If you don't like bell peppers, just skip this part. Once the sauce thickens, it's almost time to plate it. For sure, this will be juicy and tender to eat. Ooh, look at that. Maybe I'll have 2 cups of rice for this meal? Diet? Never mind. See you tomorrow again. That's all for today's cooking, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you again next time. Happy cooking! Buyers!